Hello. I want to tell you about a profound experience that happened to me here yesterday. Yes, I found this stick. I was scattering food up just a bit further up, and I found this stick, and I thought there was a connection to it. I can make this into a decent staff. However, I was led to leave it here. And what happened by doing that? It invoked the spirit of the tree. I'm not sure. And I was drawn to sit here. And I had some munchies. I'm gonna have some little rice cakes now. They're lovely. But anyway, I had some nice food, so I'm relaxing, nourishing myself. I haven't brought my cup today, but washes down the rice cakes quite nicely. So what happened then is I had a notebook, and I don't normally carry one, but I had one on this occasion because I've been feeling like something like this was going to happen sooner or later. So I'd had me snacks, and I got the book out, automatically writing, and I didn't know what I was going to write, and I started interacting. There was a few questions, because I'm trying to establish whether it's my own imagination or whether it's a voice from intuition. It's kind of when it makes profound sense, you just know. And when you interact, you don't know, and then you do know because you are told. This is what happened, and I'm wondering whether I filmed about 20 minutes, so in real time to write down all this stuff took about 12 minutes. I put a thing together and it all looks like about 20 minutes, which is a lot longer. And I realise we all have precious time, and so it's not often that you would just randomly look at one of your Facebook friends' post that was 20 minutes long. I wouldn't expect that. However, I do feel it may be beneficial for seekers, wanderers, wondering how this all works and what it looks like in real time. So the point of what I'm telling you this for is because if there's enough people want me to put this together, I will. I'm not fully sure how to present it yet, but I know it will happen. So let me know in the comments about this, because this is something substantial. And anyone who knows me knows that I'm not about deception. I'm about honesty and transparency. The way I feel about deception and dishonesty and secrets and what's it done for the world? Where's it got us? It's never saved me, it's never saved anyone else. And I don't believe it will in the future. That is something that is fading away. Anyway, let me know what you think. Lovely to speak to you. I'm going to carry on with me nice hot fennel now. So in the meantime, remain with your highest intent. Love is supreme.